What is happening right now in the political struggle over spending and debt will test both parties, but it will also test the nation's news media. Consider this. The Democrats, having resisted the stringent Paul Ryan budget when it passed the Republican-controlled House, have now united to vote it down in the Democratic-controlled Senate. They're attacking the Ryan plan's proposed overhaul of Medicare as a scheme to destroy that program. Never mind that everyone over the age of 55 is exempt, and never mind that Medicare will be insolvent within a decade if nothing is done. If the Democrats were offering a competing plan of their own to achieve the needed savings, there would be nothing wrong with attacking the Ryan plan. But the Democrats have no plan of their own. They point to last year's health care reform and its proposed cuts in Medicare, but those cuts are being used to finance the new Obamacare entitlement. No savings there. Indeed, Senate Democrats are refusing to even pass a budget, despite the law's requirements that they do so. This is remarkably cynical, even by the primitive standards of contemporary Washington. The reporters who cover this town know this. They know entitlement spending is out of control and must be restrained. They know the Republicans are trying, and they can see the Democrats are not. But will they call them out, as they surely would the Republicans if the roles were reversed? So far, it hasn't happened. But one can hope. Shannon?
Well, Brit, how does this fight over the debt ceiling really figure into the rest of the fight here in Washington over spending? Well,
the debt ceiling is a source of leverage in the sense that sooner or later it's something that must pass, unlike apparently a budget which we used to think must pass, but apparently you can get away with not passing it. So Republicans want to attach all the spending restraint they can to the debt limit because they know it's got to be passed and signed, and they know in the end that people can't just vote against it. So that's what this is about. It's a point of leverage, and that's why you see Democrats, at least in the beginning, were calling for what they call a clean bill, that is, no spending cuts attached, and why Republicans are insisting otherwise. So that's what it comes down. That's what this fight is about.
All right, Brett, thank you very much.